What's up, everybody? Happy Friday. Just wanted to give you guys an update on some of the parts that we ordered. So we're waiting right now on the P&L J pipe. We did the single cat. You had the choice to do single or dual cat. So we went single, and we are waiting for the Burger Motorsports top mount intercooler and charge pipe, which is really cool. The charge pipe, I'm assuming, should make great power just like the Perrin charge pipe did. But they're going to have, of course, their maps are going to be curated directly for their parts. So that's why I want to, I'm all in on the JB4. I love their stuff, so I want to buy more of their products. So soon, I'm assuming within the next month or so, either March or April, I know the top mount intercooler and charge pipe will be here. I'm sure everyone has supply chain delays and whatnot, so I'm not in a rush, but of course want to get that stuff so I can do the install and hopefully some updated videos for you guys. I know it's been a long wait. I'm also going to be ordering the MA Performance catback, the full 3-inch catback, and getting rid of the ETS axle back. I'll probably find somebody local in my area and just essentially give it away, or give it away for very, very cheap. And who knows, I may do a giveaway where I do like a raffle. I've thought about that as well. I might do a raffle for the axle back and just ship it to someone for free. That would be a cool idea as well. But I'm going to go MA Performance catback because I want the full 3-inch turbo back. I was talking to one of my buddies, even if it's only, a 10 horsepower difference, I just kind of want the full 3-inch turbo back, and I think that's going to be really awesome. I'm excited for it, and I will, once I have everything, I'll need, probably a couple days a week to get everything perfectly dialed in. And once I do, we will schedule a dyno day and finally get her on the dyno and see what the numbers are. I'm going a little conservative. I'm not shooting for giant numbers because I'm thinking about the transmission and the drivetrain. So I'm shooting for mid 300s, nothing crazy, and maybe a little higher on the wheel torque. But for horsepower, I'm shooting for mid-ish 300s. And that'll be on, most likely it'll be on E30 is what most likely what I'll be running, because that's what I've been running for a long time. But I'm really excited to get some of these parts on there, show you guys how much larger the BMS top mount intercooler is than stock, and my experiences with better airflow, so we don't have so much heat soak, especially where I'm at in the south. It gets very hot here, and it will be in the next couple months. It's already 80 degrees here where we're at, and I'm sure it's probably still snowing some of the places some of my viewers are at, which is pretty crazy. So, in the next few months, we'll be in the 90s and above, and that stock top mount intercooler is going to heat soak, and when you get heat soak, you lose power. So having a larger top mount intercooler will help big time. And hypothetically, some of the tuners have said that with the larger top mount intercoolers, they've picked up a little bit of power. I'm not talking about anything massive, but hey, if you pick up extra 5 wheel horsepower, that's pretty cool. The charge pipe is supposed to pick up 10 to 15 wheel horsepower or more once properly tuned. And I think that some people were even making power on them without tunes. And I'm really excited to get all these new parts in there and get everything dialed in so we can make some new content. So I know it's been a long time coming, just because we've been kind of in the same position for a little while, and that's okay. It's life. We've got holidays and everything in between, and you know, as much as we would love to go full bolt-on turbo back right off the bat, we're not made of money either. So kind of been doing it slow and steady, and it's been fun that way because it hasn't been an instant gratification kind of thing. You know, we had the intake, we've had the intake for a while, we had the ETS intake, that was okay. Then we went BMS intake, that was even better. And then we got the ETS axle back, that made a nice difference. I love having a little bit of a louder vehicle. And now we're gonna, you know, in the next month, 1 to 2 months, you know, everything's already ordered other than the catback. We'll be full turbo back and making some solid power. It's been pretty cool. I've seen a few other people hop on the dyno, a couple CVTs hop on the dyno. It's really cool seeing what those cars can do, and I'd really love to see some 0 to 60 action on some of these CVTs with the tunes. So, you know, if you don't already have one, you know, a 0 to 60 timer or a draggy, that would be really cool, just so we can kind of see what kind of stuff you guys put down as well. It's but no, it's been a blast, and I, you know, want to say, you know, I'm thankful for all you guys, and hopefully I'll continue to keep pumping out content and give you guys some, you know, cool stuff to watch. And, you know, don't hesitate to shoot me an email or text if you guys have something on your channel you want me to check out. I'd love to check it out. I do the best I can to stay in touch with everybody. You know, of course, I have a lot of people emailing me back and forth asking different questions on tuning. So I'm trying to make some videos to kind of help, just because I do the best I can, but I know a lot of people have questions. So if you have any questions or you want any videos made, you know, let me know. I'm really happy to do that. And give me some ideas, you know, what you think I should do with the ETS axle back. You know, should I give it away, raffle it? You know, you give me some ideas of what you think would be cool, and we'll make it happen in the next month or two. But thanks again, and, you know, if you guys have any ideas for videos, please let me know. I'm happy to try just about anything once.